video. So today I'm going to be fulfilling a order. These are actually retail lip scrubs. She ordered 10 of them, all lemonade. So I'm going to be, okay, they're literally all the way down the door. I'm going to be fulfilling that with you guys today. Thought I would do a business type video, just fulfilling the order. All right, so let's wipe down my area real quick. All right here. Get my sugar. So I've been doing in a different way for a while now. So literally put my gloves on and then I take one of the jars and I'll dump it in there just so that I won't have any like leftovers. I literally take my gloves, put my gloves on and take one of the jars and basically like fill it up to the top and pour it in like that, just so I can have like an accurate amount. So that's what I'm about to do. Once I do that, I will come back and then we'll add our oils in, pigment, and hold on. This is literally what I was waiting on. This is why this order hasn't been shipped yet. If it would have came on Friday, I would have had it shipped on Saturday. Cause I know she's like, where is my stuff at? I was waiting on this. I wanted to get the other one, but it wouldn't have been shipped till Tuesday. Well, they got new little thingies, little bottles. It's black. So I went with the other brand that I like to use, which is higher. This was $12.99 and the other one was like $9.99. But the other one wouldn't have got here till Tuesday. And I'm like, okay, I want to ship it as soon as possible. So I'm gonna just pay the $12.99. I like both of these brands. Like I literally have a bunch of each. All right, so she got all lemonade, 10 of these retail lip scrubs. So like I said, I'm going to go ahead and get this bowl filled up with sugar, and then I will come back and we will start the creating process, okay? If you are new here, make sure you hit the subscribe button, leave a like, and leave a lemon emoji in the comments, or a yellow heart, whichever one you prefer. Leave in the comments. If you're interested in lip scrubs or lip gloss, click the link in the description box, shanayaoshea.com. We do have some stuff available. Support the business, okay? Support your girl. But yeah, I will be right back. Time to add the oils. I'm putting coconut oil in right now. Then we're gonna add some castor and grapeseed oil. Now I'm gonna start mixing. Perfect texture. This is how I like for my lip scrubs to look. Like it's literally the perfect texture. Now I'm about to add the pigment. And then after that, we're gonna add some flavor, some lemonade flavor. Then it'll be time to fill. Okay, so I already got one jar filled because I want to get a picture for my thumbnail. So this is how it looks. Lemonade lip scrub. Get those lips nice and moisturized. And this is her fourth. I'm gonna put it on the screen, but she has ordered multiple times within like the last 3 months. I don't know, y'all, but she has ordered multiple times, so y'all know these lip scrubs are the truth. Every time she come back, she ordered lemonade, so y'all know these lip scrubs are the truth. Okay, y'all know. So click the link in the description box and get you some. We have tons of flavors available, but if you want to try lemonade, you can try lemonade. Like, it's bomb. Okay, let's go ahead and fill these jars so we can get done. So I'm gonna end this video right here. I hope that you all enjoyed it. It's been a minute since I filmed an actual business type video, so I hope that you guys enjoyed it. Like I said earlier, if you are new, make sure you hit that subscribe button and leave a like and a comment. If you're interested in our products, click the link in the description box, nayasbeautybar.com. We offer lip scrubs retail and wholesale. We also offer lip gloss for retail and wholesale. So if you're interested in starting a business, let us be your vendor. Top quality products. And yeah, this is the outcome, the final results of the retail lip scrubs. Now I'm about to go ahead and get it packed up and ready to go.